Hey everyone, welcome back to Lemon Cone. Today we are diving into two delightful summer drinks, Mango Mastani and Mango Lassi. Let's get started. First up, Mango Mastani. It originates from Pune, India. It's a popular street drink known for its unique name and delicious taste. Now let's grab the blender and get started. Add the mango cubes. We take 2 mangoes, which are about 1.5 cup, vanilla ice cream and milk to the blender. Our mangoes are sweet, so we won't add any sugar. If you prefer, you can add sugar or use condensed milk for extra richness. Blend it until smooth. Now it's time to assemble. In a glass, add some mango chunks. Pour some of the milkshake over the chunks. Add a scoop of ice cream. Sprinkle some almond and pistachio shavings and some tutti frutti. Pour some more milkshake but leave some space at the top. Add another scoop of ice cream and garnish with more almonds, pistachios and tutti frutti. It looks so rich and tempting. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. If you want to watch more of our summer drinks, you can check them out. The link is in the description. Now let's blend our next drink, Mango Lassi. While this classic drink is widely enjoyed, we are adding a special twist to make it even more refreshing. Lassi has its roots in Punjab, India, where it has been enjoyed for centuries as a cooling summer drink. Let's get started. Add the mango cubes, sugar, green cardamom powder, yogurt, and ice cubes to the blender. Blend until it's smooth. Pour the lassi into the glass and garnish with some pistachios. So easy to make and incredibly refreshing, perfect to cool you down in the summer. If you enjoyed our recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Your feedback means a lot to us. Until next time, keep blending, keep smiling.